everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video. This video is going to be my top 3 favorite fall/winter lipsticks or lip colors to wear. I absolutely love fall and winter because when fall and winter comes, especially here in New York City, you get more of the darker tones, so like the dark berry tones, and you get the dark brown lipsticks. I absolutely love those tones. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite pictures here because I think they look stunning on pretty much everybody. But I also love the neutrals and the nudes. Don't get me wrong, those are my favorite lipsticks, lip colors. Let me know what colors you love down below for fall and winter time. We can all talk about our favorite makeup products and lip colors. And now let me jump into this tutorial. I'm gonna explain each one and show you up close how all of the colors look. So the first one, in terms of a nice neutral tone, I'll start with the nudes and the neutral tones first. I love the NYX soft matte lip creams. I love all of them in this collection. There's so much variety. I absolutely love how they feel. They are very soft. They can be a little bit drying, so make sure before you use these, you definitely want to exfoliate your lips. Give your lips a nice exfoliation and then put a little bit of a chapstick on or a balm, a lip balm, and then after a minute or two, wipe it off and then go in with their NYX soft matte lip creams. Their lip creams are amazing. The color that I'm showing right here is the color Abu Dhabi. It is my favorite color. Every time I've worn this color out to work, anywhere, everybody always stops me and asks me, what lip color is this? Complete strangers will stop me and ask me, what lip color is this? And it's always this one. I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite nude, brown toned, tan tone lip colors. I love it. I especially love colors like this when I wear a very bold eye. When I wear a bold eye, I love to wear a nude or a neutral tone lip, so that's where this color comes in. In the fall and winter months, that's when I do more of the bold and glam looks, I guess you could say. So I love a good neutral nude tone lip, and this is my favorite. I absolutely love it. This is my 3rd tube of this. Super affordable. I think it's between $5 to $6, definitely less than $10. Check out NYX Cosmetics if you have not heard of them. They are everywhere. They have the best soft matte lip creams in so many different colors. Like I said, I am sure you will find a color that you like. Now let me go on to a more pinky tone color. So Manna Kadar, my husband brought this for me. They have these priming gloss stains and I have a few of the shades, but the one that I love the most is called All of Me. As you can see here, it is so pretty. It's like pink, but it's also like purple. It has like purple tones to it, I guess. It's like a very nice mauve pink purple, a little bit more on the purple side, and I absolutely love this color, All of Me. It is one of my favorite colors to wear, especially if I'm just wearing like mascara and a very nice winged liner in the winter time or fall time, and I just want a pop of mauve or pink. This is the perfect color. I absolutely love to wear this alone, and I also love to wear it with a lip gloss on top, as I do with all of my lipsticks, lip creams, all of them, whether they're liquid or whether they're matte. I love wearing especially all of my lip products, whether it be a lip stain, whether it be a lip cream and it's more on the matte side. I love putting a little bit of a gloss on top. I feel like it really brings out the product more, and I feel like it just makes the lip products pop. So it's usually a little bit of a lip gloss that's clear. Any clear lip gloss that I get my hands on, that's what I usually will put over top. And I feel like it really brings the color to life. Don't get me wrong, these colors are all beautiful on their own too, but especially in the fall and winter months when it starts to get much colder here in New York City, if you have dry lips, which I definitely have pretty much all the time, I don't like them to feel even more dry, so I usually like a little bit of a lip gloss on top of it just so it moisturizes and keeps the color on as well. Now when you go to drink something, that's when the lip color will come off, or your lip stain, or whatever it is that you have on. So I usually like to use a straw. Just a tip. Let's go into the last color that I love, especially when winter time rolls around. I feel like you cannot go anywhere or do anything without a classic red lip. Red lips are classic. They are all of the hype. They are always going to be in style and fashion and trend. Does not matter. I feel like every time wintertime comes around and I see the classic red lip tutorials, I get super excited and super happy because I absolutely love them. I have my favorite reds. The one that I've been trying and been using the most, it was from Kab Cosmetics. It was a lip liner and lip gloss that I got in the color Charming, and I got this inside of my glossy box advent calendar. I will link the video up above that I previously did. I showed you all how this looked and I could not wait to try it out. As you can see, it looks so amazing. The lip liner is in the color Charming. I love lip liners. I don't have too many of them. I only really have one in every color that I'm gonna use. Like I have a nude one, I have a brown one, and then I have a red one, obviously. That's really it, and I have a pink one as well. So I have like the 4 main colors. That's usually what I get lip liners in. I don't get every single color because pretty much if you're wearing browns, nudes, pinks, or reds, any lip liner will go with any of those colors. So if I'm wearing, for example, this red lip, this lip liner will be just fine. If I'm wearing a red lip from ColourPop, same thing. Like it's all the same. So I just get lip liners in the 4 basic shades and then just use whatever lipstick or liquid lip that I'm gonna use with it. And I absolutely love this lip gloss and lip color. It is everything. It is so pretty, as you can see here. I absolutely love the way it looks. I can't wait to check out Kab Cosmetics some more, just so I can definitely experience more of their lip products. But for now, I am in love with this. It is so pretty, so pigmented, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about it. It is the perfect red. It's more of like on a pinky tone red. Like, you know how some reds are like deep red, like a real red? This is more, a little bit more on the pinky side, but I absolutely love it nonetheless. I feel like it'll go with any skin tone, everyone. I'm more on the tan side, but I absolutely think that this color will look beautiful on anyone, on every shade. Definitely check out Kab Cosmetics, definitely check out NYX Cosmetics, and definitely check out Manna Kadar if you are interested in any of their lip products that I showed here today. Really quickly, what are your favorite lip products? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always interested to hear what you all think, and what makeup companies or what products do you live by every time fall and winter come. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, then don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you all so much for watching. I will link everything in the description box down below, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all very soon. Bye guys.